Good morning, everyone. I'm here live from Lake Wales, August 10th. And I'm telling you, the bees, if this thing didn't have so much room, I'd swear I'd be swarming. But the pollen, the light beige pollen and the dark orange pollen coming in on all four of these hives is absolutely tremendous. 10th August, 84, 85 degrees, about 10 o'clock. No, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. I came over here mainly to weed eat, but a tremendous amount of pollen coming in all these hives. You can see it or not. I mean, they are freaking getting with it. Brazilian pepper's still a few weeks away, so we've had a tremendous amount of rain the last few days and a good sunny morning this morning, so maybe that's it. Have a good day, everybody.